Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. Are you constantly trying to figure out what to do with your produce to keep it fresh for the longest amount of time? I also had the problem of my toddler picking up the onions and potatoes and walking around the house with them. I was super excited to find this Saratoga Homes wall fruit and produce basket because it keeps everything up off the floor so that my son can't reach it, and also it looks super nice while storing everything properly. I love how simple the instructions are and how easy it was to put together, and also that it clearly shows you how to tell which bin is which so that you don't mix them up when putting them together. They recommend having two people put this up, and that's what we did, me and my husband. He did most of the work, let's face it, but I tried to help here and there. Another one of my favorite parts is these awesome chalkboards that are in here. They're actually removable, so if you don't want to use them, you don't have to, but I really like the look of them so I can label what is in each basket. If you're looking for a super cute and durable way to store your fruits and veggies, this is it. You need to get it immediately, but that's just my point of view.